If the child's stomach is bloated and he is not silent due to pain, then mixing black cumin or rock salt in black cumin juice and feeding it to the child will reduce the bloated stomach and the pain will also stop. This provides relief to the child. Feeding about 2 to 3 grams of bay leaf powder with ginger juice and honey to children provides relief in all diseases occurring in children. Mixing triphala and pipali powder with ghee and honey and giving it to the children to lick, the children stop crying and they also stop feeling scared. If a small child is not able to speak and has pain in his stomach due to worms, then feeding 3 grams of betadine powder with curd for 3 days continuously removes all the worms from the child's stomach. If the child becomes irritable due to neurological disease and is crying continuously, then he should be fed 1 to 3 grams of bacha powder mixed with honey and ghee daily in the morning and evening. This gives relief to the child. If the child cries and does not drink milk, then mix rock salt, ghee, sugar candy, and give it to the child to lick or grind pipli, atis, kakrasingi, nagarmotha and mix it with honey and give it to the child to lick. By adopting these few home remedies, you can stop children from crying.